Hello everyone, welcome to Fresa Technologies YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to see how to change the charge line under the invoice in the Fresa application. Initially, we have to log into Fresa application. After your successful login, this is how your dashboard looks. Now, go to the Accounts module. Here, we have to select the All Vouchers menu under the Accounts module. On this page, we have to select the voucher type as invoice. And we have to enter the voucher number. And also we have to enter the required details. Then we have to click on the submit button. Here we have to click on the voucher number. Now the invoice page will be displayed on the screen. Here we have to click on the multiple update button. On this accounts details entry page, we have to change the required line number. Then we have to click on the save and close button. Now the line number is changed and the line number will be moved based on that given line number. This is how to change the charge line under the invoice in the Fresa application. Thanks for watching.